Right, it's morning, we're in Bangkok. We're on our way now. We want to fly the drone today, so regulations, we've got to go in, fill out some documentation and get a certification before we can do that. So we're going to make our way to the National Transport Safety Board offices to do exactly that. So as part of that journey, we have to get a boat to the train station. The hotel has a courtesy boat that takes you to the station every half an hour, and we're about to get it. Right, we're just setting off now. I'm set out trying to get a tan. Ryan, on the other hand, likes to stay a bit more in the shade, so he's relaxing inside. Coming out? Yeah. Wait for it to set off, then it's a bit cool, isn't it? Probably in the top 5 hotels in Bangkok. Probably one of the top 3 actually.
Probably one of the original hotels as well.
Yeah. Right, so we're about to get the Metro SkyTrain, it's called, and here it is pulling in. Off we go.
Not lean against stanchions and hold strap or handrail firmly while standing.
So we just at the Transport Ministry to register the drone so we can use it legally. So we had to get the BTS, the SkyTrain, and then we've had about a 10-minute walk. And so yeah, I'm in sweating cobs. So yeah, so we're just waiting to sign some documents. 15 minutes later, we're still here. Lots of paperwork to do. So nightmare. We needed pictures of the drone, passport copies. What else have we needed?
Insurance.
Photographs
of the controller. Purchase receipt. What else? Proof of our stay. So hotel accommodation voucher.
Flight confirmation.
Yeah. So yeah, and we'll see what happens now.
So it better be worth it.
Ta-da! We can officially now fly the drone in Thailand. We have our certificate. So it's taken about, I don't know, half an hour, 35-40 minutes to get, but you know, we're now officially licensed to fly the drone, so that's all good. Yay! So we've just arrived at Lumphini Park. We're going to try and fly the drone here. There's quite a lot of trees, so watch this space and see whether we can or not, but it does look quite nice, so I'll show you a bit in a bit. Oh, it does? Careful though. It's going in the water, isn't it? Oh my gosh, it's huge!
They're quite cute though as well.
You think? See, I'm sorry, I don't see cuteness at all. I mean, bless her, I mean, you know, cute's not the right word, but I mean, just kind of there, aren't they, you know what I mean?
We've come to Lumphini Park, which is a big park right in the centre of Bangkok. Perhaps naively we thought we might have been able to fly the drone here, but there's signs saying specifically that you're not allowed. But it's a nice park, and there's some reptiles as well that kind of just wander freely, so that's nice to see. Get the skyline in the background.
Don't feed the pigeon. Only one pigeon, so you can feed the other one, just can't feed the pigeon. Yawning. Oh.
It's like in 201, you mum and dad getting to a tie.
We're in Pat Pong now, so this is a horn where a lot of backpackers come. There's a famous night market here as well, isn't there?
Yeah.
I'm just crossing the road, 1 second. But it's authentic Thailand, and you know, when people think about the noise and the hustle and bustle, you know, this definitely epitomises it, doesn't it?
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So.
Here we are in Papong. This is quite a famous area of Bangkok. It's where you get the night market. You can buy all kinds of goods, most of which are knockoff, but you can buy watches, you can buy jewellery, you can buy clothes, basically anything. It's also like the seedier part of Bangkok, but you know, I guess you just got to embrace it.
Yeah, in case you wonder what I'm doing, I'm videoing us videoing. If that makes sense. So you see, you know,
trying to do the behind the scenes video.
yeah. The little guys behind the scenes. If you've not checked it out, go right now and check it out. YouTube. So we're just doing some filming of a Tuk Tuk ride. So the famed Bangkok transport, you'll have seen the night one, or you either will have seen it by the time you see this video, or you'll see it later. So
It depends if that makes it tomorrow, but
well, yeah.
we've got the day one now, which makes it better than the night one. So
Well, yeah, that's true. So
I don't know. What do you think?
I don't know. I mean, we can find a way to put both in. To be fair, won't we? The madness it is Bangkok. Life in your hands, don't you?
We're in a nice lounge in the hotel.
Yeah.
We've got somebody that's watching the German version of Graham Norton.
People around the world know what Graham Norton is. Who do we know?
Cattling away. Yeah, cool. Yeah, everyone knows Graham Norton.
Did he? Okay.
Well, Americans do, Kiwis do, Australians do.
So it's this guy behind us. That seems to think that we all want to listen to what's going on. Ryan's not impressed, are you?
It's rude.